Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crates on Beach Buggy Racing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. Tap on the shop option from the top of your screen. Scroll down and find the crates section. Here, choose the crate that you want to buy and tap on it. Finally, tap on the gems icon and purchase the crate. And this is how you can buy crates on Beach Buggy Racing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.